Over the last year, I've been working as an estimator and assistant project manager. I've created shop drawings, conducted multiple coordination meetings, and even fixed our scissor lift. I love using my drone to do surveying, and in my free time, I create 3D scans and 3D models for prosthetics. Here's a presentation I did using Adobe Master Suite, and I also created the sound effects for it. When you're done with that, you 3D print the model. I also attended night school to be a robotics technician. I did complete it. Here's a sample of a prototype I created of an arcade machine using a CNC machine, and I love sculpting. Who doesn't love food? I love blogging about food. And in my free time, I also use all of Adobe Master Suite. Thank you for watching.